Bonjour! Today we are going to do the nationalities, les nationalités, and the countries, et les pays. So, in English, normally whenever we say this is the America, so to the American men and women we call him as an American man or just American, and to the woman also we call American woman or Americans. The male and female category remains the same, even the spellings remain the same, but in French it's not like that. I give you one more example for this thing we do in English. Somalia, that is the country, and the male population of that country is Somalians or Somalian in singular. To the Somalian women also we call Somalians, and to one single woman also we call Somalian. We got 197 countries all over, plus there are some islands here and there. So what do we say? A French man and French women are both different. You can change the terminaison of the French man's ending and it will become, just with a slight of addition and subtraction, it will become French woman. So we've got approximately 4 types of fixed terminaison, and the name of the countries in French are all different. It's not same. For example, I'll give you the names of the countries, like France, which is a female country because A and C E, it makes it female. So la France, la Chine, le Japon, l'Italie, l'Inde, l'Amérique, le Mexique. See, le Mexique. Even Mexique is having E in the ending, but still we are adding a le in front of this country. Why not la? Because E is not at all making it sure that if the country is a male country or if it is a female country. E is not going to give you the surety of that. Okay, now we will come back to our rule of changing the terminaison of the male and females to make them masculine and feminine. Example 1 with the AIS and AISE, even with the name of the country. We've got La France. For a French man it becomes le Francais, and for a French woman it becomes, while changing the terminaison, is Française. France, Français, Française. Right? Next we've got l'Angleterre. For men becomes l'anglais. For women, while changing the terminaison, it becomes l'anglaise. L'Angleterre, anglais, anglaise. Right? Giving 2 examples for AIS and AISE with the name of the country. Second name of the country we've got for the terminaison OIS and OISE is La Chine. Male becomes chinois and female becomes, while changing the terminaison, chinoise. La Chine, chinois, chinoise. Second example for the same terminaison, it is le Québec. Male becomes Québécois, female becomes Québécoise. Le Québec, Québécois, Québécoise. Right? Third terminaison, AIN and AINE. Examples are the famous country, l'Amérique. Male becomes américain, female becomes américaine. Amérique, américain, américaine. Second example becomes le Mexique. Le Mexique. Male becomes mexicain, female becomes mexicaine. Examples again, le Mexique, mexicain, mexicaine. right? Third example for the IEN and IENNE. We've got a lot of list over here, but we are gonna do only two. The examples are l'Italie, example is italien, and for the female it becomes italienne, change IEN to IENNE. Next is a masculine country, le Canada, it becomes for the male canadien, for the female it becomes canadienne. Repeating again, le Canada, le Canadien, la Canadienne. Hope you got these examples for the four ones. Okay. There are two countries like l'Espagne. For the male we will call Espagnol, and to the females we will call l'Espagnol. We just added an E. If you see a Spanish woman, now you are going to call her Elle Espagnol, and to a Spanish man you will call Il Espagnol. To a German man, first of all, to Germany you will say Allemagne. So L apostrophe l'Allemagne. Like I want to say I come from Germany, so je viens de l'Allemagne. I want to say he is German. Il est allemand. I want to say she is German, so I'll say elle est allemande. I just added an E. Even for the normal gender, normal adjectives, any word that ends up with A and D for the masculine, you will make A and D E in the feminine case. We'll do that later for the adjectives like big, small, blah blah blah. For a couple of countries we have got the same English thing where male and female population is called with the same thing. Like to America we call America, to American men we call American, single, right? American. To female also we call American. Like to country France we call France, and female French, man is also French. So I've got something which is very similar in terms of male and female population, but the country name remains the same. I'm gonna do all of these 8 countries, but they are more than 8. We've got 197 countries. Please keep on checking with the country list. I'm gonna give you the pronunciation of these 8 ones. Okay, first one, la Slovenie. So for the male we will say il est slovène. For the female we will say elle est slovène. Second, we've got Russia, la Russie. Male il est russe, female elle est russe. Third is le Belgique. For the male we'll say il est belge. To the female we'll say elle est belge. And for the Slovakia we'll say il est slovaque, elle est slovaque. The country is pronounced as in la Slovaquie. Next is la Serbie, number 6. For the male we will say il est serbe. For the female we will say elle est serbe. Next is number 7, la Grèce. We'll say to the man actually, the singular ones, all are singular over here. Il est grec, elle est grecque. Number 8 is le Turc. So to the man we will say il est turc. To the woman we will call elle est turque. Okay, that's all for this lesson. Keep searching, keep looking. I'm gonna leave 2 screenshots of my work. Keep checking onto them, keep searching, keep reading. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bonne journée.
you.